This is Titanus, the Carrier Zord, later to become the Ultrazord. Now, if the Dino Megazord was your muscle, and the Dragonzord was your style, then this guy right here was the one that brought the whole team together. Literally, as you can see here, this was the carrier that brought them all into one giant robot dinosaur nightmare. Now, when this hit the shelves in 1993, it wasn't just a toy. It was a challenge, because you couldn't really complete your Power Rangers collection, your lineup, without him. Bandai knew it, kids knew it, and when they saw the price tag, the parents definitely knew it. Now, in just a moment, I'm going to show you an interesting feature about this particular piece you may have never seen before. When I do, you'll never see this piece the same way ever again. But first, we need to talk about this name. Bandai, what were we thinking? Folks, I have always been of the opinion that if you run a giant toy company, you need to have a 12-year-old in the room. Just like in the movie Big, when Tom Hanks would give advice, that's what you need. You got to have a 12-year-old in that room telling you that, guys, if you write this on a box, I know you're all adults here in this room, but the kids are going to giggle. They're going to give you a hard time about this. We can't give a toy this name. So this, I don't know, I don't think it spoils it, but otherwise a great toy is just kind of marred by just a poor naming convention. I want to show you a bit of the size, so you can see here it is about 19 inches that away. It's about 12 inches or so this away, and when you take it out of the box and put it together, it's going to be around there. It is some kind of Brachiosaurus, Brontosaurus, Diplodocus, probably a Brachiosaurus. It's got this guy there. And as you can see, we've shown you all the way around the box, but I do want to focus a little bit on some of the features. And I'm going to do that on the outside for a very special reason. Now, you can see here it's got the cool cannons, it's got all the dinosaur, and as a toy by itself, it is just pretty fun to drive around and have it do whatever else. Does it have any kind of electronics? I don't believe that it does, because it would show us stuff about batteries on the outside, and of course, we have not tested it, as with most of our items that have electronics. But as you can see right here, it is ready to go. It is rip-roaring and just waiting for you to add your Megazord, your Dragonzord, and you create this giant Ultrazord that would go for a couple of seasons at least. This was backwards compatible with the Shogun Megazord and I believe the Ninja Megazord, so they designed this to just have plenty of play features. But what I really want to show you, because you may never have seen this, at least not for 30 some odd years when this came out, the coolest thing, when this came in from our consignor, I was just pushed aback. Because look at this, folks. Can we zoom in on this a little bit? Let's see if we can do that. I want you to see, because this is so amazing. Check that out. What do you see in there? Sealed tape on that corner. Sealed tape. Holding on by a thread, but it's there. Sealed tape on the bottom corner. So that's this one. Let's turn it around. We've got this one. This one was double taped. That happens, and when that happens, can we show it in the camera? When that happens, I always get a little nervous. I think to myself, did our consignor snip it and put some tape of their own? But we see it plenty of times, and I'm looking at this one right here, and it's never been opened. So that lets us one more, and that's the one right here on the bottom. Where are we on this? It's hard when I'm super zoomed in. There we go. And you can see it right there. Again, all four corners sealed in the original box. So what does that mean? It means that you are getting a brand new, unopened Titanus. The corners, see a little bit of wear, minor wear on there. There is a piece of what I imagine, and I love this. If you know me and my opinions on toys, this is fantastic. I believe that this is a piece of tape left over from a Christmas wrapper, is my guess. I don't know that 100%, but that little piece of something on there. The flaps are in good shape, and all around, it's just a fantastic piece. I'm going to show you the top, because there are some of you out there who may want to send this in to get graded. It's that nice of a piece that will it get you a top grade, absolute tippy top? Maybe not, based on a few of these pieces, a few dings and nicks right there. But will it be close? Yeah. And will it be a fun piece for you to open and play with like it's Christmas morning? Absolutely it will, especially if you have some of these other Power Zord pieces to combine it with. You are in for a heck of a time. Pieces like this are rare for us to get in, so we are so happy that our consignor brought us this piece. Why? Because this was the one that was destroyed immediately. It's so big, it's so large, it's hard to keep it in shape. So there you have it. That's Titanus, the Zord. So powerful, it didn't even need to move to make an impression, but it did. It made an impression on the collectors of the 90s, on other toy companies that saw this and realized, wow, we can put out some really cool pieces there, and the kids will buy it, the parents will buy it, they'll head into Clover stores and pick it up for the grandkids because it's just that amazing. It is a huge piece of history, and now it can be a huge piece of your collection. Every collection has a story. What's yours? Head on over to TheBigToyAuction.com, and we'll see you at the auction.